key, flathead, or butter knife. And we're gonna go right in between the crack because I don't know why, but this thing looks like a vibrator. I don't want to say it, but it's just too obvious. Look at this. Maybe it's the magic egg. And here's the battery, this big, huge, disgustingly oversized battery. And we're going to pop this guy out if it wants to play nice. Let's put this guy back and pop this guy out and see what huge battery this is. Carefully, Wesley. Get this little rubber. Look at this. Crack, vibrator, rubber. I mean, come on, dude. You can't not see it. So here we go. That's a big battery, dude. 2450. Oof. I'll put the link in the description. And be carefully putting it back in the rubber. You don't ever want to use a rubber twice, but in this scenario, it's the only one we have. So we're gonna say sayonara with put it back the way you got it. There you go. It all lines up perfectly. And then you're gonna put it right back, snap it all together, and you can hear it working already. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. I told you it looks like a vibrator. Look at this thing. This thing looks like a one of those neck lace things, man. I'm telling you. All right, I'm gonna put this back in and see you later. Here we go. Tell me it doesn't look like it. Stop it. So thanks for watching.